Hello everyone, let's do the unboxing of 3M8210N95 mask. So I just received it today. So this is how the package look. Let's try it open and see. I'm really excited to see what is there inside because there were a lot of speculations like there are many fakes of this kind available. Oh my god, I don't think this is genuine. The box already looks broken. Oh my god! And the safety seal, it is very very important. The safety seal is actually broken. You can see it is 20 in number and MRP is 2000. My god, the seal is really broken. I'm really worried now. I should see whether it is genuine or not. So when we turn the box, you can see the box looks really genuine as far as everything is concerned, the letters, etc. But the handling is really poor. This came in a plastic box. Maybe when it was put with others, it got like this. And below you have this particular code which is there, which is the seal of authentication, and the seal is really broken. This safety seal is very very important. Okay, let's open, and this is how it looks. Okay, so I read a lot of reviews before ordering this, and this looks exactly the same. This is packed as if packed like a loaf of bread. So there are 20 masks here, and this is how it looks like. 3M8210. Okay, so how it looks outside the box, the same way it is there. So I think it should be genuine, but because of poor handling, it has become in a box has become in a bad shape. Let's try to open and see how is it from inside. So it's a simple clip lock mechanism. Okay, and yeah, okay, so let's open. So whenever you touch it, you feel it as if it is premium, and the edges are sealed properly. Okay, like how it is there in a genuine mask. Straps are yellow in color. There is a nose clip, steel one in front, and a small spongy one in the back. This is how it looks like, fairly large enough, the mask. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll first verify, okay, and then we'll see what is this. So I opened the browser. Now we'll do the verification part. So straight away I'm going to the 3M website, the verification part, and as soon as I search, I'm going into the 3m.com, the 3M safeguard product authentication process, and let's see. My god, the connection is very painful. Connection is very slow today. Okay, something is opening. So click here for information, click here for respiratory guidance. Okay, so we'll go down. Okay, yes, this is what we're looking for. Validate your product. So there are a set of masks which you can validate. You cannot validate all the 3M disposable respirators, but you can validate only some of them. So luckily 8210 is one of them, and I ordered it so that I can validate it, because there are a lot of fakes available, and many people who have ordered it online also receive a lot of fakes. I ordered it from Amazon, and there were many sellers, and after finally I found one seller whom I felt to be genuine, and then I thought, okay, so in the drop down box we'll select disposable respirator. We'll select the model number, that is 8210. This is how the box looks like, and you are supposed to put two things. First one is a secure code, and the next one is a lot code. So we'll put the secure code straight away, and for the purpose of security, I'm going to blur the secure code as well, and also the lot code. Secure code is now being entered, and then after which I'm going to enter the lot code. Yes, secure code entered successfully. Lot code also is being entered, and yes, it is being entered. Please God, hope it's to be genuine. Check for validation. Confirm, fingers crossed. And oh my god, you have entered a valid 3M code. Thankfully it is genuine. Thank god. So this is also a leaflet found which was inside the box. I just forgot to show you the unboxing I'm just showing to. So it has the same description. So this is also one thing which you should know whenever you're ordering. You will get a leaflet like this. If you find leaflet like this, then your product is genuine. So in multiple languages it is including English and I don't know what are the other languages. Instructions for wearing the mask are also present here, and then some other important information is also there. Thankfully it is there. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you very much.